Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Tahir Nadeem Bhatti from West Punjab and this is my beautiful desert village. Welcome to my YouTube channel Village Diaries 01. If you are new on my channel, please support me by subscribing my channel. This is my friend dairy farm. Come let me give you a tour of it. This is my third vlog on my channel. Viewers, please watch my vlog till the end. I have prepared it with great hard work, especially for you. Since I am a Punjabi, English is very difficult language for me, but I am still trying. May Allah grant me success. Please say Amin. So viewers, how did you like today's vlog? Do let me know in the comments. See you again with the new vlog. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.